Hey, welcome back to the Amazing Freedom Podcast. I'm joined by Andy Slamans and back by popular demand, Absalom, our Chief Marketing Officer. And we're going to be talking about an update to our $10 million challenge. And the burning question is, are we going to make it? We just had an episode last week where we talked about some of the maybe scariness that is in the environment right now, hearing about the inflationary pressure and Amazon, people going back to retail instead of buying online. And so internally, we're asking ourselves, was this $10 million challenge a good idea? Putting ourselves out there. I mean, Andy, is this something at this point that you're asking yourselves, what did you get yourself into, kind of committing to a $10 million challenge? So let's go through that. What's your initial thoughts when it comes to looking at where we're at as a brand navigating these choppy waters?
Yeah, right. So you always have to kind of expect the unexpected. Although for the last 10 years, really, we've been in a bull run, economy wise, worldwide. We launched this very aggressive initiative to do $10 million right at the beginning of the year. And the markets were still good then, at the end of 2021. And we're excited, and then boom, everything goes down. Even Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, you're supposed to stay up high, but now it's going down, and we're kind of clinging and really just calling on to this goal. We want to do 10 million despite, right, all the fear mongering that's happening right now in the media and everything. It's like a big circle. So that's the question of this podcast, right? Are we going to hit that 10 million, Nate and Abs?
Yeah, well, we really don't know still yet, and I guess we'll see. We committed to it, so we'll keep updating on a monthly basis. We have put out faithfully every single month, January through May so far, our actual revenue numbers, our actual profit numbers, even too, our PPC, and so I think there's some really good tips in there. And we talked a lot about the $10 million challenge, I think, earlier in the year. In the last couple of months, we haven't talked about it a lot week to week. So I want to update on some of our biggest challenges year to date, some of our biggest wins, some things that surprised us the most, or maybe you the most, Andy, along the way, and what we think the rest of the year holds for us, despite all those things you just said, that we're in a choppy environment.